to another typing ASMR video. Today I will be using my program that I coded in the previous two parts, which is the Rate My Teachers fake app in Java. So as you can see, I've made like a working program, at least for basic functionality. For the teacher, you could write a review, add a teacher, and view all the teachers and reviews. And now I'm going to use it, so enjoy. Run the program. So as you can see, you're greeted with the options. What do you want to do? You could either add a teacher, you could either view teachers, or review teacher, or view all of the reviews of one teacher. Otherwise, end the program if you type another number. So let's start by adding a teacher. So let's do it. Number 1, enter the teacher's name. So the teacher's name, what should I put? Let's do John Doe, a classic name. The teacher's department. Let's see. What kind of subject he wants. He would teach English. Oof. Okay, I guess there is a teacher that is wrong, so I'm gonna go back. Oh, I know why. Here, the teacher has to not exist, which has to equal -1. It didn't work because I put not equal to -1, which means it already exists. So it has to not equal -1 in order to add. So let's run that again. Okay, I'll be back. And as you can see, I have retyped it and it now works. And let's view the teacher. Currently there's one teacher, and now I'm going to add a few more. Let's add some random teachers that are made up. I am not going to refer to any of the teachers that I've had in school, or otherwise it's not going to work. So I'm just going to make made up teachers that I didn't even have at all. Teacher's name. Let us do Kayla Jet. It's a female. Teacher's department. Let's do Jim. And let's add 3 more teachers. Let's try to add with the same name. Kale Jet. By the way, Kale is a champion in League of Legends, and Jet is a champion in Valorant. And as you can see, it already exists, so now it works. You can't add 2 teachers with the same name. So let's add a different teacher. Let's add in Reina. Eyes. Okay, because Reina likes to throw eyes in Valorant. And the teacher's department, maybe let's do French. Even though she's not from France. 2 more teachers. Let's pretend I am a teacher. Let's do Kyle. And teacher's department, Java 101. It's a made up course. Maybe there's a course with that name, but like 101 is the classic number that you call an introductory course, like coding 101, English 101. Those 101 courses are like absolute basic courses or something. That's why I think that's what 101 kind of means in terms of tutorials or courses or something like that. So let's do one more teacher. Teacher's name is let's do teacher's name. What name should I choose? Let's do foobar, classic foobar name, even though they're not real names. There's like placeholder names for functions. And department is math. So now I've added 5 teachers. Now I'm going to view them. So view teachers. So you can see teacher, 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 teacher. Let's do John Doe. We got John Doe here. No stars yet because there's no reviews. Kale Jet, no reviews. Raina Eyes, no reviews. Kyle, no reviews. And Foobar, no reviews. And so, since they have no reviews, since this is a Rate My Teachers app, let's start reviewing the teachers. These are going to be random teachers. So let's say John Doe. I'm going to start adding made-up reviews. Let's say that they're made up different people. And let's say that John Doe is a pretty normal teacher on average. So like around 3-ish stars on average. So let's do that. Let's review teacher. John Doe. Oh, that not exist. I misspelled it. Whoops. Review teacher. John. Oh my gosh. I keep on typing mistakes. I keep on making these spelling mistakes. It's not good. It's not good. Again. My typing is sloppy today. Okay, teacher found. Enter number stars from 1 to 5. Let's say that this teacher is amazing. Let's give this person gives 5 stars. And comment constructive feedback. This is like a typical prompt that let's make it like a website like that. It's kind of like that. I would say constructive feedback because you want to make it look like it is a professional-ish website or the language, because if I would enter a review, rant, or something else negative, that means it's not good. So let's do I really enjoyed. Okay, I'm just gonna type and talk after. So, this is one review. I'm going to review the review. You can view all of the reviews of the teacher, by the way, and I'm going to just want to see that one review. And here it is. I really enjoyed this teacher. Enjoyed every hour of class with him. He knows how to teach grammar, and his assignments are fairly easy to do. Written by Jet, so one review, average stars is 5.0. So let's continue reviewing the teacher. Let's add a more critical review. So let's give him 4 stars and let's add some constructive feedback. So let's do good teacher. Maybe you might find that he goes too fast with the material, especially grammar. The grammar and sentence structure portion. So, no name, it's gonna be anonymous. And let's add another review. Sweet review teacher. And 1 to 5, let's do it. Let's pretend that this review was from a person that does not like English at all or learning English language arts. So let's see. Pretend that it's 1 star. Don't take him. Let's make this grammar poorly worded. He needs to stop teaching gibberish. He should teach comedy instead of English. He goes too fast. I could not understand any of his lectures. And then anonymous again, because let's do that. So we gave him, let's pretend these students gave him 5 stars, and then another one gave 4, and another critical one gave 1 star. So let's add one more review to balance it out. It's going to be a neutral. Let's give him 3 stars. Comment, decent teacher. His teaching, not perfect. But if you want to pass or succeed with him, you need to do all his assignments and exercise. And then the name is, let's say, anonymous. Most of the names will be anonymous in terms of who wrote the reviews. So going back, let's view all of the reviews of that teacher. Type in 4, teacher, want to review the teachers, John Doe. And as you can see, the teacher, like I said earlier, is sort of an average teacher, 3.3 stars, John Doe, and I really enjoyed this. I'm going to read these reviews. So, yeah. Well, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna change my mind and not read all of these reviews because I want to review. I just want to get the 4 remaining teachers with reviews. So these, it's so cool. You got 5, 4, 1, and 3. So like balanced review and rate my teachers. As you can see, it's like as you would see in a real rate my teacher's style, rate my teacher's website. I mean. So now let's review the teachers, and now let's give Kale Jet some reviews. So I forgot what subject that is. I think that is gym. So yeah, let's review that teacher, Kale Jet. And let's say this teacher is not a good teacher. This is not a real teacher to recall, so this is just a pretend teacher. Let's give some teacher bad reviews. So 1 star. Don't take her. She makes you do like this number of push-ups. And then anonymous. All of the 1-star reviews to this teacher will be anonymous. So into the teacher you want to review, Kale Jet. And another 1-star review. By the way, all of these reviews will be hate reviews. Let's pretend that this teacher is actually really good at teaching gym, but all of the students hate her. 1 star. Comment constructive feedback. No, ignore that. Please do not teach. You're driving driving us insane. Anonymous review teacher. Kale chat, 1 star. And 1 star. And let's say it's another hater. And let's make it really good grammar, but criticizing her like harshly. Let's do this. If you take this teacher, you are going to want to escape every hour and 30. Wait, not 30. Let's make it like each 2 hours. Let's make that course like pretend that this course, each of the periods are 2 hours long. And since you can't skip, you have no choice but to attend all her torture. So like that. Okay, and you have no choice but to attend all her torture's lessons. Good luck crossing fingers. Anonymous. By the way, empty. If you don't put anything, it's gonna default to anonymous. Let's give her 2 reviews. Review teacher. Kale Chet. Another 1 star review. And this one will be an empty review, so no comments. Because I remember back in when I looked at Rate My Teachers, some of the reviews don't even have comments. They just give him or her 1 star or other star counts, but it's usually 1 or 2 stars, like a bad review with no comments at all. So, no name, and yeah. Let's add in 1 more review. Oh, let's actually add 2 more reviews because I have an idea of a made-up hate comment. And the teacher is Kale Chet. Once again, it's a made-up name, made-up teacher. This teacher doesn't even exist with this name. These are just League and Valorant names, so I'm pretty sure there's no one in the world with this name. 1 star. Her lessons make you want to jump, make you jump, and want to throw knives. Once you become desperate. We don't care about this spelling here. These are just texting style slang reviews. If you ever have opportunity to switch, dash out with your E. And then anonymous. And so, with all these 1 star reviews, let's do a good review. And then let's do a mercy review where this 1 student gives a nice review. Let's do it 4 stars. Listen, she is not the perfect gym teacher, but you actually need to keep up with your attitude and not send 8 reviews. Yes, her workouts are challenging. She wants you to become active because working out actually motivates you. Yes, this course is painful, but painful is a teacher. Okay, so that's 1 review. And enter your name. Let's do Ezreal. Another made-up name. So, Kale Jet has some reviews, and now let's review another teacher. Review teachers. Which one are we going to review? Kate Reina Eyes. So, let's actually review the teacher, what subject this teacher teaches. So let's review the teacher. And she teaches French, so yeah, let's review that teacher. Let's do Reina Eyes. And let's say that you are French and you want to review her. So let's do 5 stars. This one, let's say that this teacher is amazing at teaching French. Like, you would love to eat a baguette at her class. So 5 stars. This class makes me want to eat a lovely baguette every time. My French has greatly improved. Enter your name. Let's do Felix. Just a name out of the blue. Review the teacher. Let's add another review from another student. Reina Eyes. And let's do 5 stars again because she's an amazing teacher. Bon prof. Belle prof. Tu veux avoir cette prof pour une tes sessions dans tes sessions dans cégep. Actually, there's no accent. There's an accent here, but I don't know how to type in with an alt code. So, oh wait, I think it's like that, but now I can't find it. It's my typing disappeared. So, bon prof, tu veux l'apprendre le français avec cette prof. Prendre cette prof si vous avez la chance dans tes sessions de cégep. My French isn't perfect, but let's say that this is a comment. Let's do another one. Let's do Max. random name. And let's do another review. Review teacher. Rena eyes. Whoops. Bad spelling. 3. Rena eyes. 5 stars. And let's do this. Easiest French course, which makes me motivated to learn French and apply it. Okay, let's do enter your name. Let's do anonymous. And so there's 2 teachers that I have left. Okay, so these are some of the reviews, and now there's 2 teachers that I have to review. So teacher Kyle, I think that teacher teaches I think programming 1. Let's review that. Let's review what subject or department Kyle teaches. Java 101. Oh yeah, it's the programming one. So let's review him. Let's do 4 stars. System out.print. Like that. Anonymous. Decent review. Whoops. And yeah, let's say that this teacher only has 1 review, and that will be it for this teacher. So 4.0 stars, pretty good teacher. So we have 1 more teacher left that we have to review, and let's see what subject he teaches. So this will be a male teacher and math. So once again, let's make this teacher not so great teacher again, just like KaleChat. Well, KaleChat was as a teacher that is really good but gets a lot of hate. So let's do this. It's gonna be another case of KaleChat, a teacher that is pretty decent but gets a lot of hate. Let's review Fubar. 2 stars. This will be the first 2-star review. Enter comments. Let's do January 16, the day where the hell started. First, he teaches he teaches trig, which I really don't understand. Besides wave functions. Next, he gives a test that totally does not does not match the expected difficulty compared to his exercises, and the rest are rinse and repeat. Torture. A linear function. Torture. And then anonymous. Let's add more reviews. Let's give this teacher a lot of reviews, so let's give him like 7 reviews. So let's do that. Fubar. enter number of stars. Let's do 1-star review, and no an empty comment. Let's do that. Let's review it again. Foobar. Let's do 1-star again, and this one will be a funny review, like a total hate review. So cow, 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 cow. By the way, this review has I took it from an example bad review. Or let's not do that. Let's do oof, 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 like that, and anonymous. So yeah. So a couple of 1-star reviews. Let's do another 2-star review. By the way, this may be long in writing if you want to fast forward it to me reading the reviews of the teachers that I have not read or looked over, you could forward to the next part of the next chapter, which I read all of the reviews for the teachers that I have not yet read the reviews. So let's do another 2-star. Let's do this teacher lectures are so hard to understand. Better buy the textbook or watch YouTube videos to get by. Like that. Avoid him. And then anonymous again. Let's do a 3-star review. Let's do a 3-star review. Let's do decent teacher, hard exams. Don't expect easy work with him. You gotta study your butt to even get a 70, like that. Anonymous. And I think I'm not sure if I counted reviews. I have lost count of the reviews, so let's give him 2 more reviews, a 3-star and a 2-star. So review teacher, Foobar, 3 stars. Okay, teacher, you may need to hold the rope, or else you will fall behind, as he won't help you a lot. Besides his mediocre lectures. However, if you do study, you will guarantee yourself you will likely score an 80 or 90 if you're lucky. Anonymous. And one more review. This will be the last review that it will be made up or written before I read the reviews. So, review the teacher. Foobar, 2 stars. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Why does he still teach? He needs to retire. This is a hate comment. Oh no. And he looks 80. No, let's do, because he is tired on his job. Don't take him, take another one. And then anonymous again. And let's actually write one more review, and let's do another 5-star review to make up for these bad reviews. So this one says, if you study, number of stars is 5. Whew. I actually got so close. Had I typed a string, it would crash because I didn't add validation to that. However, I've tested stuff and it worked before, and it worked. It's just the exceptions that arise. If you do a mismatch, input mismatch exceptions, it's gonna crash. So enter a comment, constructive feedback. He is a decent teacher. Listen and do your homework. And exercises. And do all exercises assigned. And you will most likely get 80 or above. I got a 93 from him. From my peer-to-peer group study sessions outside his class, since I did not grasp well his lectures. This may not be your teacher if your learning style does not match. Okay, let's call him Breach. So all of these teachers have reviews, either 1 review or 10 reviews, or 7 I mean. So now I'm gonna review the teachers, all of the teachers that I have not viewed. So let's go. Let's do view teacher. Let's view Kale Chet. I want to see her reviews. No. That is not good. That is not good. No. This is a disaster because I had an input mismatch exception which is crashed, so I should have added some validation. So, but pretend that this review is like that. Oh, actually I had a chance to view this teacher because I called that function earlier. I called that option earlier. So let's read these reviews. This is the second teacher that I get to read. So let's do it. Teacher, Reina I's, Department French. Average stars, 5 stars. This class makes me want to eat a lovely baguette every time. My French has greatly improved. This one says, Bonne prof, tu veux apprendre le français avec cette prof. Prendre cette prof si vous avez la chance dans tes sessions de cégep. Written by Max. Easiest 5 stars. Easiest French course, makes me motivated to learn French and apply it. Written by Anonymous. So, this is an amazing teacher. And you could also see the teachers, the list of the reviews, the average reviews. So John Doe has a 3.3 star review. Kale Jet has an average star of 1.5. Reina Eyes 5.0. Kyle 4.0. And Fubar 2.4 stars. So I'm sorry, but unfortunately I did not add a validation in that part in which it crashed on me. So unfortunately I could not access these reviews. But if we go back, let's pretend that it's listed like this, and pretend that these reviews are actually written. So I'm going to end this video right now. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like. It would be greatly appreciated. Let me know in the comments what video should I make after this one, because I'm debating myself whether I should make another video on the Mandelbrot set. If you have not seen it, it's in the card above. Or if you want me to, if you're really interested in seeing more of this, right, my teacher made up funny stuff, please drop a comment saying I want to see more of this. So anyways, have a good day everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.